moment of trying to track the bandits to find out if they came around this place to maybe to take water. And we're also finding any unusual movements, maybe cutting of trees or fires. So if we find them, then we sure they are around this place.
Sasa hiyo kuna matatizo. Wakati hiyo ulinunua ulikuwa na matatizo. Wakati mimi nilinunua iko matatizo ya wote. Sije piga. Tango bewe. Kitu ile nyingine. There was a community meeting, and so the fellow just attended the meeting, but we already had his name and he was being tried. So he was arrested there. Yes. We think that if Tanzanians would be allowed to sell their ivory stock, then even the poachers who are in Kenya will then get motivated. They would know that it is very easy to just kill in Kenya and, cross over to the other side and sell. And sometimes it's very hard to know what is legal and what is not legal in terms of the ivory that you see in the market. It's very hard to enforce that. So from our perspective, really, that is going to be a problem for Kenya.
Because of the spirit of the moratorium that we needed 9 years, we basically requesting the government of Tanzania to withdraw this proposal and retable it after the 9-year lapse for consideration. The same applies to Zambia proposal. They are premature, they do not meet the criteria, and the fact that they never consulted the other range states for their point of view, these proposals should not be discussed at all at this coming conference of parties. This is Kenya's position, and this position is supported by 22 other African governments that are opposed to lifting the international ban in ivory trade and that are feeling the pressure of poaching across the elephant range in the continent.
We may request to collect for DNA, the samples for DNA analysis, so that to determine exactly where the ivory were taken from, and that will aid the law enforcement capability so that we focus where exactly the problem is happening.